Hi there, boys and girls. Today we are going to talk about this special letter. I am going to make the sound and you guess the letter by the sound that I made. Let's go. The letter says L. The letter says L. Can you guess which letter I'll be talking about today? So the letter says L. Which letter makes that sound? Who said that? Yes, we are going to talk about the letter L. And the L says L. Stick your tongue out like me. Let's go. Tongue out. L. The L says L. The L says L. All right. Now we are going to identify or touch the uppercase and lowercase L. So just like how we are special, the L is also special. So here we have uppercase L and lowercase L. Let's go. Uppercase L and lowercase L. Ooh! Uppercase L and lowercase L. That's the way the letters say. Uppercase L and lowercase L. That's the way we call their names. Uppercase L and lowercase L. That is the way we call their names. Alright, so here we have uppercase L and we're going to use our finger to write it in the air. Let's go. One stick down and push it across. One stick down and push it across. That is the uppercase L. So here I have it. One stick down and I push it across. Now for the lowercase L. One stick down. Let's go. One stick down. So we're going to do it on it. One stick down. So we have uppercase L and lowercase L. Again, uppercase L and lowercase L. Now over here I have my activity sheet. Now I draw the uppercase L, so I'm going to color inside. Color inside. Take your time and color inside the uppercase L. Alright. And for the others, we're going to trace the L. So you're going to follow the dots. 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 Let's go. Follow the dots. Follow the dots. Uppercase L and lowercase L. Uppercase L and lowercase L. And the L says L. So you're going to color inside the uppercase and lowercase L. And you're going to trace the uppercase and lowercase L. Thank you so much, boys and girls. I'm looking forward to see your videos and the pictures of the work that you have done. Thank you so much, parents. Keep working hard.